What's up guys, this is Karol with another video, and today we're going to look at the biggest lie in affiliate marketing. Alright, so what it is, we're going to look at it and we're going to check upon you whether you not fall for this. Alright, so without further ado, let's get cracking. Alright, so what are the biggest lies in affiliate marketing? Let's start with the number one lie, and it's called done for you systems. Let me just write it over here, and it's done for you system or systems, right? Now, done for you system. Why is done for you so bad for you? Okay, now you might say, okay, done for you. If you're familiar with affiliate marketing, if you're starting out, if you're a beginner, or even if you're experienced, chances are you have encountered done for you systems. All right, it's very common. It's a very good sellers. All right, these done for you systems, and a huge number of people tend to fall for these systems. And the reason behind that is that it's exactly what all of us want, right? It's promising you no work and lots of money. And that, unfortunately, if you think about it, it's not really possible, all right? So, done for you systems, I'm referring to not done for you maybe templates or done for you promotional material or something like that. That's all good, that's all fine. I'm specifically talking about done for you systems, which is usually some kind of a software or pretty much the whole process of you selling and promoting your products, all right? That's, for example, the best example is literally, a software where you literally set it up for in half an hour and nothing else. You don't have to do anything, and it's just gonna generate you a bunch of money. All right, that's done for your system, and that's unfortunately that's going to keep you in negative numbers. All right, you're not gonna make any profit from that, unfortunately. Why or who is done for your systems good? Only the creator. All right. Usually the creator is the one who is profiting the most out of it, because he's getting first of all the profits from the sales of this product, right? And then usually what it is he even maybe recommends maybe some kind of a traffic source, right? Which usually is a paid traffic source, all right? So you need to drive traffic to this done for you system, and that's gonna generate you the profit, right? That's how it usually works. So you're gonna drive the traffic, which sometimes they call or they put it for solo ads. If you don't know what solo ads are pretty much you renting kind of like the email list of a big email marketer, right? There are people who have hundreds of thousands of people in their email list, and they rent you, let's say, 100 clicks or 500 links to your offer. So they send your offer to their email list and they guarantee you a certain number of clicks, all right? Now, I'm not going to go into that much of a detail about solo ads, but the thing is it doesn't really work. But he's going to tell you to use solo ads, all right? Solo ads, which chances are he is the actual email marketer for these solo ads, all right? He's going to recommend you a solo ads marketer, which either it's him or he is kind of like an affiliate for this solo ad marketer. So he's going to make money even without anything, right? Even though you don't make any sales from this done for you system, all right? From this sales. So he's gonna make money only from you buying the ads, the solo ads from this vendor, all right? So that's pretty much how it is, and usually these done for you systems, I fell into that as well in the beginning. It's very normal, to do, because that's exactly what we all want to do, right? I went through it, and it was literally just like everything was done for you. It was like, the basic strategy where you drive traffic to an opt-in page, and from that opt-in page you drive it somewhere else, and all of that stuff. I had that exactly, and it was so easy, honestly, it was so easy. And back then I had no idea what I'm doing, right? So it was very easy to start with that, but unfortunately, or fortunately, I realized very quickly that this is not good, something is not right, and I stopped immediately with traffic, right? Because it just went into negative numbers. So done for you systems is the number one lie, which we are talking in this video. So don't follow this. If you see done for you systems, done for you softwares, you know, make money in literally no work, millions, you know, bunch of money, set it up in literally, you can start today, start it in, you know, set it up in 30 minutes and you're good to go. Put your head up, check it, you know, make your research and then make a conscious decision. All right. Now, the second biggest lie, which we are going to talk about, is called money is in the list. All right. So let me just write it over here. So money is in the list. Okay. Now, don't get me wrong. It's very important to have the list. Here. Yeah, it's very important to have the list. Email list is very important to have, right? Money is partially in the list, but it's more in the relationship which you have in it with your list, right? It's not about only the list. It's about the relationship you have with your list. You can have hundreds of thousands of people in your email list, but if they don't know anything about you, you don't know anything about them, it's useless. All right, and it's much more worth to have maybe hundreds of people which you know exactly who they are, what are their needs, and they know exactly who you are, what you are all about, what you are promoting, and they know and like and trust you. All right, now trust me on this, I fell for this as well. There is, obviously you can buy email lists. Okay, it's not something you should be doing, all right, or something that is kind of like a good tactic or a good strategy. But you can buy some lists even with the solo ads. You know, you can buy these people. If you send them to an opt-in page, you will get their email addresses, all right? And I collected quite big number of emails just like this one, all right? But it was literally useless for me because those people didn't even open my emails, and if they did, they didn't even click on my offers. All right, so it's pointless. It's all about the relationship which you have with them. All right, and pretty much a relationship is the way how you actually acquire these emails. All right, it's more about that. I talk about this in other videos, but pretty much the best thing, you know, how to create this relationship, or so-called know, like and trust factor. All right, know, like and trust factor, which is pretty much people know, like and trust you before they actually buy anything from you. All right. This is very important. You can see it in your daily life. You can just look at, you know, the brands or the products you buy personally. All right, if you have an iPhone, you probably buy the iPhone because of the brand, all right, or the Apple. You don't necessarily buy it for the actual phone. Yeah, you can maybe buy a very similar phone quality-wise from maybe an unbranded or maybe a Chinese brand phone for like $200 or $300, but you buy the $1,200 worth of iPhone because it's the brand. Yeah, you want that, so you know them, you trust them, you know that whatever happens with that phone, you're not gonna lose the money and all of that stuff. All right, so it's all about this. It's exactly with internet marketing as well. You build this know, like and trust factor, and even if you have an email list of maybe, I don't know, maybe 200 people, this looks like a 300, so let's just use it 300. All right, you have 300 people, it's way more than even 10,000 people. It's 10,000, yeah. It's a little bit of curvy, 10,000, but it's good, yeah. This is what it is. It looks pretty strange mathematically wise, but this is how it actually works. 300 people who know, like, and trust you, you have a relationship with them, and they're connected to you, are way more, and they are worth way more than 10,000 strangers who have no idea who you are, you have no idea who they are, and it's just literally useless. These people are useless, and that's why it's so pretty much so cheap and easy to get these people. All right, so these are the two biggest lies I wanted to talk about today. Now, you might be full of questions. I hope you got some aha moments from this video. All right, I hope I've showed you and I brought you some value. If I did, give me thumbs up. Let me know in the comments below what do you think about this video, what do you think about these lies, if you have experience with them. All right, just like me, let me know in the comments below. I'll be happy to get in touch with you about that, you know, and chat about this. It's very interesting. It's always good to connect, you know, with people. So let me know in the comments below. Subscribe if you're not a subscriber yet to get notified whenever I post anything. And listen, guys, if you got these aha moments, if you're like really pumped up, like, okay, this makes a lot of sense, I want to build this relationship, right? I want to get this know, like, and trust factor, and I want all of this, all right? Then you're ready for it, but you just don't know, you know, you don't know where to start or how to actually build it. Unfortunately, you know, obviously I cannot talk about this in this short video, but that's exactly the reason why I've created a 4-day video series where I talk in detail, in big details, about literally how to create all of this stuff, okay? How to build your affiliate marketing business, your empire, from literally from A to Z, all right? Where you build your relationship with your customers, how you create, how you promote the products, and what you actually do with these products, what strategies you use, you know, what is the actual strategy you need to do, what is the conversion model you use. All right, it's completely free. You get full access to that. If you're interested in that, just go ahead, click the link below, and I will see you over there inside. If not, no hard feelings. I'll be happy to see you in the next video, and by then I wish you a great week ahead. Bye, guys.